This video will demonstrate how to use placement nodes in the MyArmy plugin, as well as how to deal material randomization. Click on MyArmy-Create Placement Node to generate a placement node blueprint in the current selected folder location. Drag the placement node blueprint into the level scene. X number of agent determines the number of agents horizontally, while Y number of agent determines the number of agents vertically. Scale controls the size at which the placers are displayed, and distance sets the spacing between the agents. Noise adds random position offsets to agents. Orient introduces a global orientation offset for agents. Orient Random applies random orientation offsets to agents. Here are some additional parameters for various placement types that can be fine-tuned. We will cover them in upcoming contents. Locate the original agent array and click to add an element. Add the agent blueprint you created earlier to the original agent class field. Click on MyArmy-Place to generate agents using the placement node. Click on MyArmy-the place, namely delete all agents, to remove all the placed agents. If there are multiple placement nodes in the scene, you can click on MyArmy-Place, from selected, to place agents only from the currently selected node. Let's create a copy of the agent blueprint and rename it for better differentiation. Double-click to open the new agent character blueprint. In the skeletal mesh section, replace the current asset with a new set of skeletal meshes. Set the MyArmy agent color to a new color to make it easier to distinguish between different types. Add another element to the original agent array and add the newly copied agent blueprint to the original agent class field. Place the agents again, and you can see that the agents have been randomly distributed based on the agents you added. If you want to adjust the proportions, you can modify the original agent percentage weights. Double-click to open the used skeletal mesh. Next, we will demonstrate how to apply random materials to the agents. The character Wukong will demonstrate random materials. Check the fur material. Go back to the agent character blueprint, find the MyArmy random material array, and add a new element. In the original agent material random material array, add the desired materials for randomization. Set the original agent material element to the element ID of the material you want to randomize, corresponding to the skeletal mesh's element ID. Open another agent blueprint, navigate to the location of the skeletal mesh asset, and double-click to open it. The character Wukong_Fury will demonstrate random upper and lower body armor materials. Check the material in the next step. For the agent blueprint, set the element ID that you want to randomize and add the materials you want to randomize. Check the material on the lower body armor of the character Wukong_Fury. In the agent blueprint, add a new random element to My Army Random Material, and include the materials that need to be randomized for the lower body. Finally, place the agents again in the scene and watch the result of the materials randomizing.